That sounded pretty girly.
I fell in the water.
It's cold. Shrinkage.
Yeah.
Not really that small. It's shrinkage. Tell him, Jerry. It's shrinkage.
I didn't tell you we got women get the stiff end of the deal. I don't get to see much of anything.
Yeah, well, at least you're not in the water like you thought you were. We got a balancing act going on.
Close it up some.
But all we've done is support that water heater. That's what she requested.
That's definitely supported now.
But the reality of it is that beam off to the side there is all broken. It's setting up more because we raised it up, but we're going to have to rebuild that. If you look underneath, you see how the bottom of the floor joist is broken, and it's broken right there. And it's been tried, somebody else a little feebly tried to fix it by putting a couple of short 2x across there, and that didn't do much. What we'll have to do at some point is put another floor joist in there and support it. Shorter, although. Anyway, this house is going to need more of our attention, but I think you did the job, Tim. That beam's going to have to be fixed.